is grab and this is lift. I put color water, yellow for turn, red for grab and blue for lift. So this is turn and it turns the crane this way. This is grab and it takes it this way. This is lift and it makes it go up and down. Here's how it works. So over here, this is a blue tube and it makes it go up and down. So over here, you see this blue water which is filled in this syringe and the plunger is up. And over here, the plunger is in the syringe and the water is out. So when I take the water, this blue water goes in and this has no way but to take its water. But when it takes its water, it has to have something filled in here. So it uses the plunger as to fill in. So when I take it completely, it goes down and not only the lift and the blue, all of it works this way. It's just the mechanism that helps it go like this. Great. And here, there's not only water hydraulics, there's also air hydraulics. When I squeeze this bottle which is filled with air, it goes through this tube and in here and it flips up this balloon. And it's a cool bird.